Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8 and today we are going to present about package boiler. Before that, let me introduce our team. My name is Muhammad Ali Firfan bin Abu Hassan.
And my name is Ali Imran bin Muhammad Khalid.
And my name is Muhammad Shanabin bin Yusnizab.
My name is Daratul Akmal binti Zakaria.
Let us first start with the introduction to package boiler. For a long time, humans have explored new energy sources. Regardless of the type, nuclear, solar, or fossil fuels, the most effective way to convert the energy into usable work has been through heating water to produce steam. Even nuclear power plants No, even nuclear power plants use their energy to boil water into steam that power turbines. In industrial settings, the most common equipment for steam generation is the package boiler. This is a closed vessel where water is heated and turned into steam. Using heat from burning fuel in a furnace, a well-designed boiler should be efficient, reliable, easy to maintain, and able to handle material expansion and long-term operation. Package boiler is fire tube and water tube boiler. There are different types of package boiler, including fire and water tube boilers. In a fire tube boiler, hot gases travel through tubes surrounded by water, heating it to produce steam. These boilers come in vertical and horizontal designs and were once powered by coal or wood, but now mainly use natural gas or oil. A water tube boiler works in the opposite way. Water flows through the tubes, which are surrounded by hot gases. These boilers can handle higher steam pressure and capacity, but their components are more exposed to extreme conditions. Without proper maintenance, they may suffer from overheating, corrosion, and thermal damage.
Problem identification and troubleshooting. A package boiler is a pre-assembled self-contained unit that produces steam or hot water, built in a factory and sent to the site ready for use. Common in food processing, chemical, oil and gas, and pharmaceutical industry. Type of package boiler is for fire tube, water tube, and combination. It is a reliable, space-saving, and cost-effective boiler solution for industrial use. Now let's take a look at the common problem we have identified in package boiler operation. The first one is sudden boiler shutdown. The category is control and the indicator for it is alarm triggers without apparent cause. The second one is corrosion in condensate line, which fall under mechanical issue. It can be detected through leakage or rust particle in the system. The third one is inconsistent feed water level, which is a process-related problem often caused by faulty water level sensor. Malfunction pressure sensor categorized under electrical fault. The pressure reading tend to be unstable or erratic. Last but not least, we have blower fan vibration, a mechanical issue that easy to detect due to excessive noise and vibration. To address this issue, we implemented several troubleshooting actions to restore boiler performance and reliability. For sudden shutdown, we focus on recalibrating control system and checking circuit component. The second one is leakage in condensate line, were traced and sealed at joints and piping system. To solve feed water level inconsistencies, we recalibrated sensors and checked control valve for faults. In the case of pressure sensor fault, recalibration and sensor replacement help stabilize reading. Last but not least, for blower vibration, we balance the impeller and replace damaged component as necessary. For preventive recommendation, preventive is always better than cure. The first one is implement a monthly or yearly boiler blow down schedule to reduce scale build up. Second, conduct regular ignition and burner performance checks to ensure combustion efficiency. The third one is schedule periodic fuel system maintenance, especially for nozzles and filter. Then, calibrate sensor annually or according to the manufacturer's certificate. And finally, check safety valve annually to prevent overpressure scenarios.
Optimization strategy. First, regular cleaning. Keep the boiler clean and remove short as another deposit regular to maintain optimal efficiency. Next, burner inspection. Perform frequent check and burner to detect damage, measurement, or nozzle. Clean or replace part as needed. Third, boiler efficient training. provide training for operator and maintenance staff to improve their skill in efficiently boiler operation and maintenance. 4. Regular maintenance schedule. Implement a thorough maintenance plan including inspection, cleaning, lubricant, component replacement, and calibration of control system to ensure safe and reliable operation. 5. Fuel quality control. Monitor and control fuel quality consistently to achieve optimal combustion and reduce emission. Next, combustion air control. Regularly inspection the and air inlet to maintain the correct air to fuel ratio. Proper combustion air improve efficiently and help monitor combustion quality through exogenous oxygen level. Last but not least, insulation. Ensure all boiler to piping insulation is intact to minimize heat loss and improve overall plant efficiency.
Spare pipe management. First, boiler level sight glass. The sight glass shows the water level inside the boiler. It must be always clean, clear, and free from leaks or thinning caused by water chemistry. If damaged, it must be replaced immediately. Keeping it as a spare pipe sight glass ensure quick replacement without delays. Second, flame detector. This device detects the presence of flame inside the boiler and it is vital for safety and control. Due to exposure to combustion particle, it can malfunction. Having a spare flame detector allow prompt replacement when needed. Third, fuel safety valve. Fuel safety valve prevent fuel leakage, which could cause serious accident. Deflective valve must be replaced immediately, so keeping it as spare is a critical for safety. Next, gasket. Gasket seal joints to prevent leaks and maintain pressure. They can wear out due to heating and cooling cycles and are usually replaced yearly or during inspection. Stocking a spare gasket ensure quick maintenance. High pressure, high temperature cutoff. This safety switch shut down the burner if pressure or temperature exceeds safe limits. Prevent accident like explosion. Mechanical or electrical failure may occur, so having spare is essential for immediate replacement. Pressure control device. This component monitor and regulate boiler pressure automatically, maintaining efficiency and safety. Without it, pressure must be adjusted manually. Having spare pressure control device enable fast replacement to avoid downtime. In conclusion, a package boiler is an industrial unit that converts energy into heat, which is then applied to water to generate steam. This steam power various plant processes such as heating or driving turbines. There are two main types, fire tube boiler and water tube boiler. To ensure reliable operation, preventive troubleshooting is essential because it helps avoid issues like corrosion, sensor failure, vibration, and unexpected shutdown. Preventive maintenance practice such as a regular inspection, blowdowns, burner calibration, combustion air control, and fuel monitoring help maintaining boiler efficiency. Keeping critical spare part in stock can reduce downtime by enabling fast replacement. Staff should undergo boiler training and follow standard procedure to improve efficiency, safety, and troubleshooting response. Lastly, optimization strategy including a regular cleaning, proper insulation, and combustion tuning can enhance the overall performance and lifespan of the boiler. That's all for us. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.